Aviation began in the 18th century with the development of the air balloon, an apparatus that is capable of atmospheric displacement. Since that time, aviation has been technologically revolutionized by the introduction of the jet, which permitted a major form of transport throughout the world. Hi, hello, I'm Veena Krishna. I'm a student at MPhil International Aviation College. Today I'm doing this video as a part of our weekly assignment. I'm going to explain you all about an airport, what and all things you can find inside an airport, how it works, how planes become a major part in it, how it operating and all. So we are going to look at a day in a life inside an airport. I took the preference of my nearest airport, it's Kial, Kannur International Airport. It's Kial, Kannur International Airport. It's serving the North Malabar region of Kerala. It's a tabletop runway airport. What is meant by a tabletop runway? That is located on the top of a plateau or a hill with one or both ends that is drops into a deep gully. But here I made it very simple. It's not like a tabletop runway, but the design follows the same. We are going to explain it a bit more. As you can see, this is my airport. I try to make the entrance exactly like that. So when you go straight inside through the departure gate, you will go and find check-in counters. You will check in your baggage and get your boarding pass and baggage tag. If you're doing international traveling, you have to undergo the immigration check-in. So here completes the check-in procedure for your traveling. Passport, visa, immigration, customs, all checked. You will wait at the holding area for your flight. When you get the boarding announcement, you can lead to the boarding gate. This is all happening inside this terminal building. As you can see, this is terminal building, this is boarding gate, where you will be heading to get on the plane. This is aero bridges. This is straightly leads to the plane. It's a passenger boarding bridge. It is movable, extendable, and we can use it to board plane easily and effectively. As you can see here, passengers are boarding inside to the plane. The embarkation of the plane is happening. We got two more planes here. I think after taxiing waiting for its time. Here you can see the runway. It straightly goes through this way. So here you can see one plane is waiting for its takeoff. Here it comes. This is my airport. Normally you can see a cargo building and a holding or a repairing area of planes, where you will be finding engineers of aeronautical, mechanical, aircraft engineers and other technicians. Then we are coming to the main tower. It's ATC, Air Traffic Control Center. It's a service that provided by ground-based air traffic controllers who direct aircraft on the ground and through controlled airspace, and can also provide the advisory service to the flights. You can have the radars here where the information get gathered. The flights are completely controlled by the ATC people. You can find different airlines presented at the airport. In accordance to their scheduled time, they will be embark passengers and get to their destination on time, unless and until there is no weather, climate, medical issues or emergencies. To make sure the safety and security of passengers, you have flight attendants on board. I'm talking about GPU now. This is GPU. It's actually the ground power unit, fixed or mobile unit which connected to the electrical system of an aircraft while on the ground, providing AC or DC power supply to the flight that is on ground. If you got stuck and you are not finding the right place inside the terminal building or in an airport, you are always being helped by each airline's ground staff. So all the airlines will be helping and providing you the suitable, smooth, comfortable and safest journey for you which you want on board. Here you have seen passenger boarding the plane. So if it is a cargo plane, you can see cargoes will be loading. Like passengers, cargoes and goods are also transmitted overseas through an airport. On the ground in runway, you can find aircraft marshalling. So these are the people make sure the signaling that is between the ground personnel and pilots on an airport. So they will be doing the RAM handling signals. This is all about it. My experience while making the model was really awesome. I got help from my family. We were actually not thinking it as a part of my project, rather than we enjoyed it while making it. So Trust me guys, it is not an easy task to handle an entire airport in 1 or 2, 3 hands. So that's why we can see a lot of people working for its better performance. As you see, this is why this industry fascinates me this much. The never-ending possibilities and a responsible, well-organized platform. So I would like to thank to my institution, Eiffel International, for this chance to present an enormous opportunity like this. Thanks to our mentors, Rubia ma'am and Daphne ma'am. That's all today. So thank you again and bye bye. Have a nice day and enjoy your time.